What?
Are you going in my car?
Nope, we're going in the Jeep. All right, guys. So check out the fresh kitchen. Well, under construction. If you guys remember, I've been talking about it in the videos that the kitchen is under construction, and here it is. Give you guys in the middle of the situation. If you guys remember, my refrigerator used to be there. Now I moved it over there, and the stove used to be more by the corner. Now it's there, and then right there we're gonna do something special. You guys can see. And look what I found, the lazy man.
Hey, I'm not lazy.
And look how we living. Look how we living. Look how we're living. We're actually camping inside the house. We're living in the wilderness of the kitchen, right? So we're gonna go ahead. It's the weekend, and had to do some things early in the morning, and we're gonna go to one of our favorite places.
Don't put your finger that way.
You guys come along for the ride. So this is one of those come along and join me while we go shopping. You ready to go shopping?
Yes.
Let's look, you went shopping already. You coming, big mamas?
No, big mama's staying home. Watch your clothes.
My mama's staying home. All right, so
take this to King.
So let's go with the show on the road. Let's go. And we're gonna go buy some equipment. You know, some fishing equipment, cause I've been wanting to take my kids spear fishing. So I have two slingshots. I mean Hawaiian slingshot. No, not slingshot.
Slings.
Two Hawaiian slings and a spear gun that I need the tips for, and the rubber band. So we're going to the sports store to get some. And I was thinking, it's kind of a pretty day. You wanna go with the top off? You wanna go with the top off? Let me see, it's kind of cloudy. But the good thing about a Jeep is we could take everything off and it stays in the vehicle. So if it starts raining, we'll put it back. So I say, let's take the top off. If you notice, this is the lazy way of putting the top down. So the top stays right there. You see? So I guess it's considered a 50 convertible. I don't know. So we don't have to take the whole top off. Just in case it starts raining, I could just pull over and.
Can I leave my rod tip right there?
Yeah. Did you guys burn the spear?
Yes.
The middle little piece.
Wait, I need to go get my wallet.
All right. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and buy two tips. One for the Hawaiian sling and one for my spear gun. I have a little spear gun, so I've been wanting to take the kids spear fishing, and see how they do. And so let's go with the show. It's sunny. It's sunny. Oh, you know what? I should have brought a hat. All right, can you guys see that there? See how hot it is today? One of those things should be on a boat, not in a car. But it's all good. This is what you do in the days that you can't go on the boat. So you go to the stores that relates to boat.
And just shop.
So now we're waiting because we have a latecomer.
But you know what we could do?
We got a straggler. What?
We could go to that place and buy the value net.
Oh, we'll see if Bass Pro Shop has value net. Because you guys suck throwing the cast net.
No, I don't, Tata. We have not fulfilled our potential.
Yes, you guys are opening like 50%. All right. We got a struggler and it's taking kind of long. So we just sit and wait in the middle of the street. The usual. So we're enjoying the top off on a 101 degrees day. So about to get a sunburn while we're driving.
So what do you want the tangelo?
All right, so still waiting. All right, hey, why the thing turned up? So she made it after 20 minutes. Oh, you smell good. So let's go with the show. Put on your seatbelt, please.
It feels like it's gonna rain.
Scatter showers today. So we got a person on the phone here, and he's gonna cut the other person off. Yes, that was great. So we parked next to a fellow Jeeper. Ooh, it's a Gladiator convertible.
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool. I never seen one. Wow, that's pretty. Wow, that's pretty cool. I guess it's kind of weird getting used to the bed in the back.
Looks like a Chevy bed.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I'll stay with this one. Let's go with the show. Take it to the stove. So it's a hot day. Oh, here we go. That's what we're buying. We're buying the tip for the spear gun. We're here at that pro shop, and like I was saying, we're here to buy the tip for the spear because it's too rust. So see what happens.
Looks good.
Nice. This is Disneyland for us boaters. All right, sightseeing.
Is Mako sponsored, bro? Did he sponsor Mako?
No, they're a dealer. They sell mega boats. So I say this buy one of those, right? Sell for the price. Too much money for me. Right? Too much money for you? Ooh, feels good. AC. Alright, so we found the jackpot. Oh, I like it.
That's the
Yeah, we found the jackpot for the teepee. See if the teepee works. I like the gun.
Where do I get that?
Alright, so we found one tip, but not the tip for that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to a separate
Because I guess this is gonna go on the gun. We gotta find another one for the interesting. That guy's skiing in midair. That's what you call good. Yep, you can't get tired of coming to this place. Or at least I don't. So much to buy, so much to choose from, and I love the decoration. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I guess that's what you do on the weekend when you can't go on the water. You go to a store that has to do with water.
Eating heavyweights. That is sick.
That is the one.
Look at that yellowtail. See the back yellowtail?
Look at that eel. This is super cool. Wow. Wow, look at that redfish.
Yeah, I reckon this is nice. Look at that yellowtail next to the
Wow, it's a big yellowtail.
flag.
It's coming this way.
Two friends from Las Vegas.
They just sit there and move around all day.
Look at Jax.
That's the French one that I caught yesterday.
The still ones? I don't know what they're called.
Those are state fish. State fish.
Oh, that's cool. I like it great.
So, you know,
It's a cool little 18-footer.
so you know opportunity to put a T-top on it?
Wow, look at this one. That one looks fun. Yeah, that one looks fun.
21. I'll buy that for my first boat.
Well, let me see that. This looks like fun. Yeah, this looks.
250, right? 255 now.
Yeah, this looks like a fun little boat.
Oh, look at this car. It's
How fast does this thing go?
I don't know. Well, it has jack plate and everything.
Jack plate.
Yeah, this is like a fun boat. There you go. We went fishing, caught this big shark. Come on. Look at that big old shark you guys caught.
Dame pincho, yo lo pincho así.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Mira de pincho.
Show them how it's done.
No, I can't even open my.
Oh, they repainted it.
Yeah, it did. It used to be great.
Yeah, they repainted it.
Dale.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got the killer. Here, take a picture. Hold on. All right, do it again. Go. Oh, we got a killer. So you need right there.
I don't mind a boat like that.
That's cool. Pretty nice.
I like that. It's bigger than.
There's a 19 that's bigger than a big. That's pretty cool. That's gonna be a starter boat.
Has a 115.
Yeah, it'll be a starter boat.
How you think go to 50, 60?
What do you ready?
See, they opened the work car. You were 70. Because it was 60.
Yeah, they changed the design too. We just left Paradise Island.
For them,
For them.
I didn't get the floaty that I wanted. Actually, they didn't want to buy it for me.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're gonna ride with the. I think we're gonna ride with the roof on because it's too hot.
Yep. Estoy sweating.
All right, so let's.
Here.
Yo, put this back.
I was gonna want something.
All right, do the search.
The sink speed was quick. It was heavy.
All right, so it's time
The guy shot me.
to enjoy the AC. Where is it?
Oh my god, yes. 4.5.
Did you say you're hot?
850 Washington.
You're a hot mama because of the weather, or because she's just a hot mama?
Yes, I'm just a hot mama.
Ooh.
Big
All right.
mama is a hot mama.
Big mama's a hot mama. That's a day at the toy store,
Big boy tastes.
the big boy toy store. And now we're gonna go home. Well, actually, we're gonna pick up Gabby, and then we're gonna go home.